Alright, YouTube, I got a 4.3 GL Volvo boat motor, and I just got done warming it up, flushing it out, and fogging it for the winter. So now I'm going to try and use Milwaukee's transfer pump to pull the oil out of it, see how it works. So anyway, I got a couple washer hoses and the pump at Home Depot. I hooked the blue up to the oil dipstick. Got that running over to the pump. And down into my oil container. So, let's see how this works. May have to prime it. Well, I got oil coming out. So it looks good. Milwaukee transfer pump.